Okay, hello. We're going to share this trade breakdown. There is this, and there is this. So, like I told you, was it on Sunday? Sunday, yeah, my previous video. I shared this setup here, and yeah, it was massive. So even today, it was around here. It was just a good trade. It was during the New York session, and we got our almost, the TP was here above these highs here, so around 200 pips, and the market reversed. So let's go in a trade breakdown and see what transpired, what failed, and what we're able to achieve. So on Sunday I told you that market was around here. Market was around here. I think this candle was around here. Here this candle was not yet available. So I told you that market would come and retest. We were looking for retracements. Market would come and retest this previous resistance zone, because this zone was fresh and we could see that market had retested it before and it was already fresh. So market would come and retest it, and this happened on Monday when market immediately opened. We took our buy. So, and what were we targeting? We're targeting, I think, we're targeting here. If you go back to the previous video, you can see I made this trade breakdown, and I told you that market will come because we thought that it would take long, but it happened immediately. And I told you that market, I showed you two zones. I told you that market would come, bounce off here, and then it would go up, or if market exceeds that, would say that market would come up to this trend line. Here was our trend line here, which would push the market up. So that's what I used for this trade. There was this trend line which I drew, I think it was on Sunday. So I went onto the market. I saw that market was already here. So let's go on H. Market was around here. Market already tested my trend line. So I just wanted to buy a quick buy. And where was my target? My target was this high here, this resistance zone here, because since market, I told you before that it would be ideal if market can come back here. If market comes back here, would have it's likely that market has changed the trend, but it would give us a retracement. But this retracement would not be sufficient to push the market up onto these zones. It would come, bounce off here, and it will sell, because market has already broken structure to the downside. You can see that there was this H4 level here. When you go on the line chart, you can see there was this H4 level here. You can all see this. Market didn't give a good price action to signify a sell, because market was previously rejecting this zone here, but eventually market broke to the downside. So which was telling us that we are going for sales. But here, since market was retesting my trend line, I had to get a quick buy and I move out of the market, and that's what happened. Immediately we moved out of the market. Market sold to the downside, but the price action for the sell wasn't yet clear, and I had to get this buy here. So that's it, and it's ideal for you to engage in higher time frames, because they give higher precision and the win rate is high, and rate of loss can be high, but it what saves a lot in what psychologically. Yeah.